In this video, we will show you how to use your iPhone built-in QR code scanner. Let's get started. Step 1. Access the QR code scanner. How to do this? Open the camera apps on your iPhone and ensure the rear camera is already selected. Then we move to the step 2. Scan the QR code. Point your camera at the QR code. Make sure the code is in focus and within the camera frame. After that, the iPhone will automatically detect the QR code and show a notification. Step 3. Access the QR code content. You can tap on the notification to access the content associated with the QR code, such as a website or contact information or even the video guide. And that's it. You successfully used your iPhone built-in QR code scanner. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful iPhone tips and tricks. See you in the next video and have a nice day.